Good morning, class. We have learned in last term how to convert a binary number into decimal number and how we convert decimal number into binary number. Today we have learned how we convert a binary number to octal conversion. How we convert a binary number into octal number. So for that we using a table that is 8, 4, 2, 1. This is the table which is very helpful to convert a binary number into octal number. For see this table, there is written 8, then so we written 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then this is written 4, then 4 0 and 4 1. This is written 2, so 2 0 and 2 1, 2 0 and 2 1, and this is only 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1. So we written here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In octal only 0 to 7 numbers are used. So firstly we make a table with the help of 8421, which table shows the binary value of numbers. So here you can see what is the binary value of 1, what is the binary value of 2, what is the binary value of 3, binary value of 4, binary value of 5, binary value of 6, and binary value of 7. So you see all the binary values where you retain the binary, you see all the binary values. So see the binary value of all the numbers. Then after that you see a problem, that is how we convert a binary number into octal number. For that we retain a binary. This is a binary number and we want to change this number into octal. Since 8 is written as 2 to the power 3, then we make 3 numbers as a group. We make 3 numbers as a group. So first 3, second 3 and third 3. Here first 3, second 3 and third 3. So first, second and third. After that first, second and third. In first part we make the group from here, and in second part we make the group from here. So making the 3 groups. After that we see what is the value, octal value of these numbers. So what is the value of 101? 101 5. What is the value of 111? 7. What is the value of 100? 100 4. What is the value of 110? 6. What is the value of 011? 3. And what is the value of 1010? That is 2. So we convert this binary into its octal with the help of this table, and we finally got the result, that is 574.632 base 8. So this is the first example. Firstly, we return the binary and then we make the group of 3 bits, and after that we return a table, that is 8421, and we return the binary of that number. Then we return the octal value, putting the octal value with reference to binary and find the result. So for next example, we go for the next example. What is our next example is? So you see the next example. In next example, we return a number, that is binary number. So this is a binary number, and we want to change this binary number into octal number. Firstly, we made three groups, but there is only 2 numbers are present. Then we return 0 and make the 3 group. Here also a problem, so we return 0. Then we return these groups individual manner. So after that, what is the octal value of these binaries? You see in the table, that is 011. The value of 011 is 3, 100 that is 4, 111 that is 7, 100 that is 6, and that is also 6. So you find the octal value. So how we return this result? 111.110 point base 2, and what is its octal equivalent? 0.66 base 8. So now you understand how we find binary, how we find octal with reference to binary. You all understand the concept to change the binary into octal. Now we understand how we change binary into hexadecimal. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. If we want to change a binary number into hexadecimal number, then you return the table of 8421. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then we return 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, and 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So you return, that is 8 9 A B C D E and F. Means A equal to 10, B equal to 11, C equal to 12, D equal to 13, E equal to 14, and F equal to 15. Now we return a binary number, that is 0 This is a binary number and we want to change this binary number into hexadecimal number. For changing a binary number into hexadecimal number, what we can do? Firstly, we making the group of 4 binary numbers. After that, we return these numbers. Then we return 8421, 8421, 8421, and 8421. In last, you return 1111. That is F. 8, 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. 15 means F. So this is written as F. 8, 4, 12 and 2, 14. This is written as 1110, that is E. This is 12, A equal to 10, B equal to 11 and C equal to 12, that is C. And this is only written 8. So this is the hexadecimal equivalent of that number. The next example is what is the next example? So next example is 1110, 1011 and 111.1011 and 011. So you see, this is a binary. Firstly, we make the group of 4. So this is the group of 4. This is the group of 4. Here only 3 numbers. Then we return 0. From there, this is the group of 4, and this is another group of 4. Then we return 0. Then we return 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, point 1, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is only 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. This is only 5. This is F. Point. And this is 8 plus 3, 11. B. And this is 6. So this is the hexadecimal equivalent of that binary. Now you understand how we convert a binary number into octal number and how we convert a binary number into hexadecimal number. So these are the conversions which is related to your course. In next term we will discuss another things. Thank you, class.